in NAIA Terminal 3, just waiting to board. And ayan, nakasakay na ako sa aeroplano for Cebu Pacific. And there you go. Hello, hello, Singapore. Ayan. Palanding na tayo dito sa Singapore niyan. Excited na ako. Grabe. So, I'll see you later. At may basking daw ngayon sa sa may marina. So, hopefully, maabutan ko rin gaya ng napanood ko sila sa Taipei. Ayan. Marami akong nakasabay na 18 and then silang nagsabi sa akin na may basking nga ang Mahalima sa may marina ngayong araw na to. So, we'll see.
A few moments later.
Ayan, naglalakad ako nito papunta sa marina and I don't know kung saan banda. Kaya hinahanap ko. Ayan, hindi ko sila mahanap so wala akong ginawa kundi mag-picture na lang. Kasi sabi ko hindi ko alam kung saan banda sa marina napakalaki ng marina pala. So nagpunta ako sa may Marina Square, wala. Tapos inikot ko ng inikot. So hanggang nakarating ako dyan sa may Merlion Park. Nagpicture na lang tuloy ako kasi nga hindi ko na talaga mahanap. Napagod na ako maglakad. Ayan. So inikot ko na lang muna yung buong Merlion Park. At total naman kasama naman ako sa sound check sa concert tomorrow. So ayan. Uwi na lang ako mamaya sa hotel muna. At magpapahinga na dahil kadarating ko lang dito sa Singapore. Ayan. I'm sorry kung tinanggal ko muna yung mga sounds kasi may music na kasama. Lagi ako nakaka-copyright. So, tinatanggal ko na lang naman yung mga music na na tumutugtog. Ayan. Actually, I can't remember kung 5th or 6th times ko na nandito sa Singapore. And actually, pumunta lang ako dito sa Singapore just to watch SB19 Simula at Wakas World Tour. Although napanood ko na sila sa Taipei, pero gusto ko pa rin silang panoorin ng paulit-ulit. So, I went here sa Singapore. That's my first meal in Singapore. Hainanese
next
chicken.
day.
Ayan, before going to the concert, nagkita kami ng aking pinsan na nagtatrabaho dyan sa Singapore. And he treated me for brunch. Ayan, dyan sa lugar na yan. And then, ayun nga, natid na niya ako sa Expo Arena.
A few moments later.
Ayan na, dito na. Ito, nakapasok na ako dito. Ang haba ng pila dun sa labas kanina. Ayan, papunta na ako dun sa aking seat. Magkano? Hindi ko matandaan. Namimigay sila ng mga photocards. Kasi
sabi niyo po, pag-video kayo nag-hype. Sige, sige.
Message sa SB19.
We love you.
Ayan, name.
Generally nakabase sa
Mickey. My God. Erica.
And you are?
Tabi ko sa upuan. And then she said, ako rin yung mga vlogs ko. So, thank you.
Kaloka. Yan.
We are the power.
Ayan, papasok niya for the sound check. Here we go. Here we go.
Right there.
There's a ticket. Oops.
Yeah, we couldn't make it.
I messaged you about the media conference. I think my mom and my brother saw you.
Yeah.
What's your YouTube?
The Suit Ones. The Suit Ones.
Okay, I also have YouTube channel,
do you?
and so you can promote your YouTube channel here as well.
Oh yeah. Our channel is The Suit Ones. SIUTWINZ. We do SB19 vlogs and reactions.
Oh, nice.
So yeah, hope you can subscribe. Hi. How are you?
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Nice to meet you.
Thank you.
I got Ken! I got Ken!
Loving the energy already. How are you guys? Are you excited tonight, 18? For anything else, welcome to our live sound check and please enjoy the rest of the song. But before anything else, kamusta mga kababayan? Siguro gusto niyo marinig magsalita bawat isa. Everyone, if you want to say something.
Yeah, hi guys. Who here are the first timers? Who here are the first timers? Who here are from the Philippines? And who here are from Singapore?
US!
Ang hindi na po natin. You know guys, also is one of the regulars na may capacity outside the Philippines. So I'm expecting more energy since there are more people, more energy and more fun.
Yeah. What is up, Singapore? What is up, 18? Excited na ba kayo? Alam niyo, napansin ko, napaka-behave niyo lahat dito. You guys are all sitting down, enjoying the show, enjoying this exclusive sound check. But later on, I want you all to party with us, ha? So yun, gusto ko lang sabihin for our next song, tataasan natin ng konti. Sumabay kayo, okay ba yun? Ang hina naman ng energy. Okay ba yun? And for our next songs, here's 8 on Ball. Energy. Tama lang, kasi mamaya hindi kami papayag na uuwi kayong hindi pagod. Okay lang ba umuwi kayong pagod? Okay. So again, guys, thank you so much for watching our show. And again, thank you so much for coming here today. And we're expecting you guys to have fun tonight. And we are expecting your energy. Is that okay? Again, thank you so much, 18 Singapore. Hope you enjoy our live sound check. And mamaya, mas marami pa kaming ipa-perform. So please, reserve your energy. And yeah, that's all. Thank you.
Ganyan, karami ang concert goers. Ang haba ng pila hanggang restroom. Grabe. As in. Super duper success. Super duper punong-puno ng tao ang Expo Arena. Ayan. Hanggang yung restroom box office. May iba naka-costumes, yan. Yan, ang saya-saya. And then I also saw my long-time friend na tagal-tagal na hindi kami nakita. Dito lang pala kami magkikita sa concert ng SB19. Excuse me po. Excuse me. Ang haba ng pila talaga. viewers. Binigyan niya ako ng picture ni Josh and ni Pablo. Ayan.
And Josh.
Stel po.
Justin.
Stel po. Ate Stel.
Stel.
Thank you.
Sino ba po? Justin. May Justin ba dyan?
So ayan, start na nga ng show at kailangan kong tanggalin music dahil nga nakaka-copyright po ako. Pasensya na po, pero ayan, gusto ko lang po ipakita kung gaano po karaming tao ang umattend dito sa simula at wakas na World Tour ng SB19. As in, sold out, talagang grabe. Punong-puno ang venue at pati nga restroom, din, talagang haba rin ang pila papuntang restroom. Ayan. So, nakakatuwa. Nandun ako sa may bandang area ng 102, bandang gilid, tapos letter B. So, row B yung seat ko. So, malapit na malapit sa stage. Although, parang malayo, pero kumbaga, malapit na malapit siya sa stage. Kasi nung bumili ako ng ticket, wala nang ubos na yung VIP section. Ayan. So, grabe. Bigay todo pa rin, as in full energy. Talagang sulit na sulit ang manood ng concert ng SB19. Ayan. Lahat naghihiyawan. Sabi ko, niloloko ko nga yung mga katabi ko kailangan nyo na ba ng medic? Paano kasi talagang nagwawala, as in, grabe. As in, minsan, yung maano na sa tenga yung yung tili ng mga kabataang babae, nakakaloka. Pati tuloy ako nakikitili para dari tuloy ako isa sa mga kabataan nandun. Although maraming tita na kagaya ko, o di ba, sakta pa. Ay. Gento naman to ngayon, yung sinasayaw nila. Yan. Base sa dance moves, gento yung sayaw. Ay, nako. Nakaka-happy talaga yung mahalima na to. Actually, kung may nakikita kayo na nagko-comment ng kulets, ako yon sa Facebook. Ang tawag ko kasi sa kanila mga kulets. Kasi ang kukulit nga nila. Pero makulit na cute. Hindi naman yung makulit na nakakabisit. Makulit na cute talaga. Tuwan-tuwa ako sa mga kakulitan nito mga to. Ay, nako. Good vibes talaga sila pag pinapanood ko sila So, yung YouTube ko laging magmula umaga hanggang gabi. Unless may panonoorin akong iba. So, puro SB19. O, diba? Saan ka pa?
Again, before anything else, magpapakilala po muna kami.
Magandang gabi, Singapore. Ako po si Pablo.
Singapore, ako po si Josh. Hi Singapore, this is Tel.
Magandang gabi sa inyo lahat. Ako po si Plain.
What's up, Singapore? This is Justin.
Because we are
SB19!
Let's go!
Wow! Kamusta 18?
You know what, guys? We're very happy right now because after all these tours that we've been to, this is the next biggest after our kickoff. So we're very happy that there's a lot of 18 and even casuals that we're able to watch right now. So we're very happy. Thank you so much, guys. How about you? You want to say anything about the 18?
Sadly, we didn't have enough time or
Sobrang busy namin. We had a lot of things to do the past few days. And that's why I really have enough time, but we enjoy the food for real. And yeah, I just want to thank Singapore fans, mga Filipinos na nandito sa Singapore. Maraming salamat po sa pag-supporta niyo sa amin at sa pagpunta sa aming concert dito. Sobrang na-appreciate po namin lahat. Kaya gusto po namin sabihin na mahal po namin kayo. Maraming salamat po.
Pero maiba muna ako. Kasi pagdating namin dito, sobrang ramdam agad namin yung love and effort ng team. Yung pagdating namin sa airport, grabe yung salubong nyo. Parang kami OFW na bumalik sa bansa natin. Kulang na lang i-hug nyo kami, tapos, alam nyo yun. Pero grabe, sobrang na-appreciate namin lahat. Sa labas, merong fan zone. Na-enjoy nyo ba yung fan zone? Parang hindi. Na-enjoy nyo ba? Ayan, dapat ganyan. Sobrang happy kami na na-experience nyo, kung ano man yung na-experience nyo, kasi this is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity na makapuno tayo ng ganitong karami. Tama ba? Tama ba? Sinold out nyo, grabe. Maraming salamat. Sobra.
Sobrang nabibili namin yung warmth and yung energy nyo. I know that you miss it so much because last time we weren't able to push through. Pero today, we have our own team. Maganda yung production. Kasama namin kayo sa malaking venue na to. Solid. And syempre, maraming salamat. Kahapon nag-busking kami. Sino yung mga maten dito? Lahat? Grabe, lahat umaten. Ano yung concert? Pero we just want to thank you guys so much because, you know what? Para sa mga iba sa amin, hiyang-hiya kami gawin yung busking. Pero dahil may supportan nyo at may sigawan nyo, talagang sobrang hype na hype kami kahapon. So, maraming salamat sa support nyo. And sana hindi kayo magsawa. Para next time mag-busking pa kami na mag-busking.
Yes, alam nyo, we have been really looking forward for this moment. Gigilid niya ako dito. Kawawa naman yung mga nasa gilid. Hello, everyone. Can you still see us from there? Are you okay? Yes, I really look forward talaga namin itong moment na ito. To finally be here in Singapore for Simulato Cast. At alam natin na last tour, we've had less than 1,000 audience. Pero right now, we sold out an entire, ano tawag dito? Arena or Expo Convention. And it's 7,000, di ba? Capacity 7,000, thank you so much kasi nandiyan kayo to support us. At syempre, sobrang gusto namin ma-enjoy nyo itong gabing ito. Para sa inyo yung gabing ito, para sa atin lahat. So, I hope na lahat po tayo mamaya ay syempre umuwing nakangiti. Pero, pwede ba ako mag-request? Pwede ba natin i-try na sumigaw? Dito sa left ko. Sa middle. Dito sa right side. Everybody, make some noise! Grabe ang energy.
Grabe yung energy nyo. Kaya di na namin papatagalin pa. Without further ado, we present you Simula at Wakas!
Jobs, you like the gun, right? Alright. So, how does it feel to be welcomed by 18, my man?
It's very cool. I'm such a fan, so to be here with you guys. I've been listening to you guys for many years, and Pablo, I've been listening to your verse all week. Thank you for letting me sing it. Thank you so much. You have such a good voice. Crazy.
Do you want to say anything to our A-team? Do you have any words for them?
Hey, push mo yan.
Push mo yan?
That's correct, right? That's correct. That's correct, okay.
I just want to ask, why did you choose I Want You as?
Okay, it's because there's no dancing, that's why.
Maybe you can show us some of your dance moves, brother. You're a dancer, bro. You're a dancer.
You know, man, you did so great.
Thank you so much, guys. Salamat po. Thank you so much.
Oh, they're saying, sample, sample. It means you need to, it needs to be longer. You have to dance a little bit. Come on, man. Come on, come on. All right. Well, at least he showed us a little bit of the dance, right? Maybe next time he will do that sexy dancing. He will dance to I Want You. But come on, everyone, show Benjamin Kang some love.
That's good, our team. Thank you so much.
Yeah, it's so good to see you, brother. We hope to perform again in the future together.
Thank you so much, guys.
Thank you so much, Benjamin
Give it up for the
Kang.
boys.
Make some noise for Benjamin Kang. Singapore represent.
Wow! Woo! So how was it, 18? You know what, when we got the news that Benjamin will be performing here, we got excited because we know he has a lot of fans here in Singapore. Is that right? Ooh. Yeah.
Of course, we're just so happy that you guys are enjoying this night. And that's what we always long for, para mapasaya kayo. The same way na napapasaya ninyo kami. Kaya, ayun po, maraming salamat. And, yeah. So, meron akong story for our next song. So 2 years ago, we had a collaboration with a great artist with such a beautiful song. And we are so honored na napili niya kami to have this song together. I'm pretty sure you know this one. So if you know the words, please sabayan niyo kami.
Ito yung golden hour. Ayan. Kaya ganyan ang yung picture kulay gold.
For me to see 18 with you guys.
No, it's really an honor to sing with you and to share the stage with you. How's the performance, 18? Do you like it?
Yeah! Thank you!
Do you like the MAPA Indonesian version? Yeah.
Anyone come here from Indonesia?
18 Indonesia, make make some noise!
Marami din.
We're very happy to perform this song for the first time here in Singapore, and of course,
Yeah, because like
With
the
our-
first time that I heard Mapa, it was like I'm related to that because I have an intern, and that was like the first time that I got far away with my parents because every day I used to be like with them, and then like, oh my god, I miss my mom and my father because their advice is always be on me every day.
the food.
Yeah.
The food.
The food. And then the food my mom's cooking is very delicious.
She really relate to the song Mapa. And also 18, right? Yeah. Again, we're very happy to share the stage with you.
Thank you,
And
Sal.
this is not the first and the last because we will be in Indonesia soon. So look forward to that. We will be in Indonesia with Aruma, of course. Yeah, so Indonesian 18, we'll see you there again very, very soon. So look forward to it. Again, you want to say something to 18 and to everyone? Aruma?
Okay, for the first time in my life, I meet a very powerful supporter, A10, of course. The first time I released Mapa, every second you guys always direct message me on Instagram or like in TikTok and like make me believe that I bring the best for you, I guess. Thank you so much for the support.
Yeah, I think 18 really loves you.
Thank you guys.
18, show some love for Aruma!
Thank you so much.
Again, thank you so much, Aruma. Thank you so much.
Thank you. It's
Thank
an
you so
honor.
much. See you in Indonesia.
See you. See you.